Just got back from the ophthalmologist. I had my chalazion removed because when I went to the doctor, I was hoping that he would prescribe me with an ointment or an injection. But then he started feeling the bump and he said, tumitigas na to. And when it gets hard, we don't know the timeline of when it's going to go away. But if you want to have it removed, we can schedule that. Or if you want to have it removed today, and I was like, I have no other time. Let's do it. Let's do it today. So he removes, I mean, I've had this surgery before, maybe like 10 years ago, but I don't remember how it was. But basically he said it's very common. He's done more than 100, 200 cases to remove the thing. And they clamp your eye and turn your eyelid, make an incision, and remove all the gunk. I cannot imagine what that looks like, and it's okay, I don't want to imagine it. But before he did the surgery, because I was, okay, you have to understand, I had a sty in October. It went away after 2 weeks. And then maybe 2 weeks later, I get another one. It's annoying. So I just wanted it removed. So when he suggested that, I was like, okay, let's have it removed. Then I was lying down. I was just quiet, very polite as I am usually in offices and clinics. And then he starts cleaning the eye before prepping it. Then he goes, very brave ka, no? I said, Doc, actually, nainis lang talaga ako. I just want it out already. Okay, I understand. And then he's very nice. He started doing a little bit of small talk. Oh, you're a comedian? Ah, I haven't met a lot of female comedians. Blah, 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 blah. But all in all, it's done. By tomorrow, I can remove this eye patch. The eye patch is there because there is a wound inside the eyelid. So he doesn't want the bleeding. He wants the bleeding to stop. And this is the only way it's going to heal. Pero tomorrow, pwede ko na raw tanggalin. And then I have an ointment that I need to put 3 times a day. And I'm telling you this so that I remember. I need to put it 3 times a day for 7 days. But basically, thank God, it's gone. He said there's going to still be a bump because the stuff inside left like an indentation on the eyelid. So it's gonna need to heal on its own and flatten on its own. But the point is, wala na siyang laman. And my friend Camille told me her daughter had one for 2 years. Couldn't be me. Get it out. But I'm happy I did it.